Hey guys, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you already have read on the thumbnail, yes, this is a good news and this is a big news for me that I have passed the USMLE Step 1 examination. Uh, it has been like 3 days since I got my results. I didn't want to upload that reaction video because I have saved that reaction video for another big occasion, that is my match day. So if you are looking up for that reaction video, sorry, it's not uh, available for this moment. I have kept it myself for the future. So regarding the scores, uh, first I'll talk about the journey, then I'll talk about the scores, then I'll talk about the future plans on this channel, because you know that I have always been dedicated towards the medical education. These are small steps which are helping me or going to help me in fulfilling my dream towards being a very good medical educator. So regarding the journey, the preparation itself, it started like through final year of med school, when I like I was determined enough that yes, I have to take on this journey and I have to mentally prepare myself that what would I be doing after final year of my MBBS exam. So after the final year of my MBBS exam, I took like 10 days of break, and at max like 15 days of break, I would say that. And I started reading the first aid, actually revising the first aid again. And like I revised it like for 6 to 8 months, and then I entered into my dedicated. Then in my dedicated, the main problem that I encountered was that although I had read systemic like quite a number of times, but I had never read the entire first aid in one go. I had learned it in parts, but when you go to the exam, you have to learn it completely, not in parts. So I realized that I have to complete the first aid in parts. And the second thing was the general stuff. Regarding the general stuff, I was weak at immuno, I was weak at GPath, GFarm, I was weak at biochem, I was weak at public health sciences like biostats and communication, and I had to focus on these things also. So in the general part, I went through these things. Uh, Again, strengthened my systemic part, compiled them, gave the UWSA 1, got like 259, which was a great score. Like I know that UWSA 1 over predicts, but for me it was a great score. I was happy with that. Now, then in my UWSA 2, I was little bit disappointed because I got like 245, and that was the whole journey. Then came the exam day. I went to the exam. I had like 4 hours of sleep, but I was performing well in the exam. I went out of the exam hall feeling good that yeah, I had done good enough. Fast forward 14 days, the results came, and now the score. See, guys, I had been very clear from the beginning. Scores are biased, scores are biased, scores are biased. Although I have got a very comfortable score, I have to apply for internal medicine. Okay, so regarding the internal medicine, I have got a comfortable score. I will be acceptable at most of the universities, most of the programs. But if I if I talk about what I had expected from me, this score is like 5 to 6 points lower than what I had expected from me, honestly. So this brings me to a situation where I am not sad. I am definitely not sad because I have passed the examination, but I am not celebrating because the score doesn't define me actually. So but the score is good. Like If I'm talking to my seniors, if I am talking to the people who are in nice programs in the US, they say that this score is pretty solid score. Okay, so talking about the future plans, talking about the residency which I will be applying to, yes, I have made my mind for internal medicine, and yeah, I will be applying for internal medicine. So regarding the plans on this channel, which matter to me the most actually, see guys, I have to give everything which I know, and I have to make videos on those topics. So my plan is like I have a year to go, and in the coming year I would be spending time or investing time to teach system by system on this channel. I will start from neuro, and I will, just the way I did the first aid, I will cover up the systems. So this is the whole idea regarding the video. I hope that you like the video. This video is kind of special. This video is kind of a memory hook. This video is gonna remind me that I like the journey is actually documented. Okay, so I told you that I have been very open to you guys. I told you that I am gonna take the USMLE step 1. I told you that my USMLE step 1 is after 8 weeks. I told you that I took the USMLE step 1. Now I am telling you that I have passed the USMLE step 1. The transcript is in the thumbnail, the transcript is in the initial part of the video. So that is what it is. So thank you so much again. Do loving, keep supporting the videos, and if you are new to this YouTube channel, do subscribe, because I will create a lot of content regarding the medical education, and I will be honest throughout my journey. So whatsoever happens, thank you so much guys.